In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 affiliate programs that you can start today without a website. Now, disclaimer, obviously I think you should have a website, but if you're looking to get up and running with affiliate marketing, check out these affiliate programs. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. 10 affiliate programs that you can start today and you don't need a website. Now, #1 is actually with Amazon. Yes, Amazon Associates has an affiliate program. They're the largest affiliate program in the world, and you don't technically need a website. Now, the reason why I say technically is because you can get started with just a YouTube channel, or if you have a web application of some kind. Now, what you can do is go over to affiliate-program.amazon.com, click the sign up button here, and go through the sign up process. They will ask for a website, YouTube channel, or application, web app, and so just make sure you put in your YouTube channel. Sign up for create a YouTube account and add that in, and you're up and running. Now, with Amazon, you will be conditionally or provisionally accepted. You do need to get 3 qualified sales within 90 days, I believe it is, in order to get full acceptance. So go ahead and go over to affiliate-program.amazon.com to go ahead and sign up and get started today. After Amazon, we have Themeforest. Now, I use Themeforest a lot. And basically what Themeforest is a place you can go to download WordPress themes and plugins, and you can make pretty good money recommending different themes and plugins. Now, what you can do is you can start a YouTube channel showing people how to build a website or the best themes for X. So, for example, best WordPress themes for bloggers, or best WordPress themes for photographers. And then you simply just recommend the different themes that you find over on Themeforest. People click on the links and buy the theme, and then you can make money. The ironic part is that this is to help people build websites, and you actually don't need a website to go ahead and get started. If they ask for a website, just go ahead and put in your YouTube channel, and you should be good to go. There are themes for just about everybody. You could even create a blog post or YouTube video about the best theme for plumbers. So if we type in plumbers, so when I type in plumber here, you can see there are a number of WordPress themes that you could use. You basically would just grab your affiliate links, put the link in the YouTube video, and then away you go. Just talk about the strengths and weaknesses of each one of these WordPress themes, and you can start making money. After Themeforest, we actually have Udemy. Udemy is the largest online learning platform, and it can also be a good way to make money. Now, what I'd recommend that you do is simply pick a niche within Udemy and create content within that niche. And to pick a niche, you just simply go up to categories and find one of these different ways to teach people how to learn a skill. What you can do is you can start a YouTube channel. You can even promote this on social media and start making money. But I think Udemy could be a very powerful opportunity. What you could even do is, let's say we go over to IT and software. You could use some of the courses that are offered in IT and software as the content that you create, and then just say, hey, if you want to learn more about cybersecurity, check out this course over on Udemy. So what you could do, for example, let's click on cybersecurity from beginner to expert. You could use each one of these headings within the course as different content ideas. For example, you could create a Facebook group talking about the CIA triad. Now, obviously, I don't know what that means, but you could do that and potentially make money and say, hey, look, if you want to learn more about the CIA triad, I've only spent 30 seconds talking about it. Go ahead and click on the link below, and it'll take you over to a Udemy course that teaches you how to get started step by step. But Udemy could be a very good opportunity, and you could do the same thing for YouTube videos. You could pick a niche. For example, again, we could go back to network and security again. We're going to go to ethical hacking. You could show people how to get started with ethical hacking, and then if they want to go ahead and get their certification, refer them to one of these courses, and then you could potentially make money. So there is a number of opportunities within Udemy. After Udemy, we have Fiverr. Now, as you know, Fiverr is a website that allows people to create gigs and potentially make money. Now, the other cool thing with Fiverr is you can earn up to $150 per cost per acquisition or cost per action, depending on what they sign up for. There is a lot of opportunity to make money over on Fiverr, and it's really easy to get started. Basically, what you can do, once again, is you can create a YouTube channel, or you can create a blog post, whatever it is, and simply talk about a logo design, or how to create a logo, or the best logo designers over on Fiverr. That's all stuff people are searching for, and you can help them solve their problem, and you can make money. As you can see, Fiverr is used by big and small, and you can make money based on cost per acquisition, or you can make money on one-time one-time payment. So Fiverr can be a good opportunity to make some money. After Fiverr, we have Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency platform where people can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. It is also a good way to make money. As you can see, you can earn 50% of their fees, of a new customer's fees, for the first 3 months. Now, we know that cryptocurrency is going crazy. In fact, because I said cryptocurrency in this video, I'm probably going to get a lot of spam comments, but cryptocurrency can be a great way to make money. Again, create a YouTube channel, show people how to invest or get started with cryptocurrency. You could even do review videos for Coinbase and you can make money. So Coinbase is very easy. It's very passive because you can make money 24/7. After Coinbase, we actually have Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is actually an affiliate program and an affiliate network. You can make money without having a website. The cool thing with Clickbank is you go here and you sign up 100% for free. And as soon as you sign up, which takes about 15 minutes, you're going to get access to thousands of different affiliate programs. You just click on the promote button, you get your affiliate link, and you go promote it. You can promote on social media, you can promote on YouTube. There's just a lot of opportunities, and you don't even need a website. In fact, a lot of the videos that you see over on YouTube, they talk about how to get started with Clickbank, and you don't need a website. In fact, you don't need a following at all. You just go ahead, get your affiliate link, and you start promoting. After Clickbank, we have Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus offers a number of digital and a few physical products of varying prices, and you don't need a website. You'll see a lot of people grab products from Warrior Plus and promote them. One of the biggest ways people are promoting products from Warrior Plus is with YouTube videos when they do launch jacking. Now, launch jacking is simply jumping on a new launch and promoting the product on YouTube to the masses. Because whenever a new product comes out, people are getting emails from large gurus that have hundreds of thousands of people on their mailing list talking about a brand new product. And what happens is they all go to YouTube, and some of them will Google the name of the product plus review, and then you'll see a bunch of videos pop up. One way to get started with launch jacking is if you go to a website called muncheye.com. So I'm just going to type in Muncheye real quick. All right, so we've got Muncheye here, and Muncheye is actually going to give you a list of the upcoming products that are going to be released. These are all, for the most part, digital products. And you can see here, these are the big names that are in the industry. What you would do is simply, you could find a product. Let's see if we can find one. July 25th. What you could do, I'm going to click on this, is I'm going to copy this right here. And then I'm going to go over to YouTube and see if people are searching this product. And again, the process is really simple. What happens is, so what will happen is gurus will be privy to new products that are being launched. For example, this client Finder, and they'll send an email out to all of their email subscribers, and then the email subscribers will come to YouTube and they'll type in client Finder plus review, and this is where you're going to create content talking about the product, the strengths, the weaknesses, should you get started. As you can see, this is exactly what people are doing. This top result here only has 5 subscribers, but has 58 views. And I'm sure if we click on this, he has affiliate links over to the product. What you will need to do is you will need to sign up for products individually over on Warrior Plus. Once you get approved, you can actually go over to YouTube and create these videos. A lot of these videos, you don't even have to show your face. Like this video here, this person's not showing their face. They're just talking about the product. And when people click on the link and buy the product, they get paid a commission. Now, one thing that you'll want to do when it comes to doing launch jacking is you'll probably want to add in some bonuses to give your customers an incentive to buy from you versus with somebody else. After Warrior Plus, we have Commission Junction. Now, Commission Junction is an affiliate network. An affiliate network basically works between an affiliate marketer and different affiliate programs. The affiliate network is simply designed to provide commission payouts, marketing materials, and affiliate links. The cool thing with Commission Junction is you don't need a website to sign up, and you can look and sign up to hundreds, if not thousands, of different affiliate programs. Now, the affiliate programs themselves may require a website, but it's not always a requirement. As you can see, there is lots of opportunity over on Commission Junction. You basically just sign up 100% for free, go through and search different affiliate programs based on keyword, or if there is a company that you want to work with. But Commission Junction can be a great way to get up and running without a website. After Commission Junction, we have Digistore 24. Now, Digistore 24 is yet another affiliate network. It is much more like Clickbank than it is Commission Junction. You don't need a website at all. You go ahead and sign up for free. At the top right hand corner it says register, and the great thing is Digistore 24 is available in more countries. One of the drawbacks to Clickbank is it's not available in every country. Digistore solves that problem by offering it in more countries. As you can see on the left hand side, there are a ton of products that you can promote. In fact, you'll find a lot of the same products on both Clickbank and on Digistore 24, but there's a lot of opportunity here. You simply just find a product within your niche, click on this promote button, you'll get an affiliate link, and then you'll be able to promote it wherever you want to. You can use some of the same tactics that I mentioned before. You can create YouTube videos, you can promote on social media. There's a lot of places that you can go, and it can be a good opportunity if you do it the right way. After Digistore 24, we have Skimlinks, which is yet another affiliate network. And again, this affiliate network works with hundreds, if not thousands, of different affiliate programs. As you can see, there are over 60,000 publishers worldwide, 48,000 merchants, so that's tens of thousands of people, and they make $2.5 million in sales every single day. Here are just some of the companies that they work for, but you can see there is pretty good opportunity, and you don't even need a website. Just like I've mentioned before, you can create content about individual products, or you can create content about solving a problem. For example, how to build a shed. You can create a step-by-step channel showing people how to build a shed step-by-step, and then sign up for Skimlinks and find products that are related to whatever your niche is, in this case, how to build a shed. Now that you know 10 affiliate programs that don't require a website, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.